This guy has been live streaming a Galaxy S21 underwater for 11 days. How about that for riveting content?
Yeah,
this reminds me of that piece
reminds
me of that piece of content from Iceland, where the guy was live streaming the decay of the last McDonald's cheeseburger ever sold in Iceland before they closed up shop and left the country forever. And he was live streaming. I mean, that was even less riveting because there wasn't. You know what happens to a 10-year-old McDonald's cheeseburger, Will? Almost nothing.
You can still eat it, some would say.
I would say. That looks very appetizing to me. The packaging has decayed more than the product.
Yeah. Those are just soggy fries.
Yeah, no, they're still good. Anyway, it was, I guess it was a historic day for them as the last McDonald's cheeseburger sold in Iceland back in 2009. I don't know if McDonald's went back since then. 2009 is a long time ago.
No.
11 years. But anyway. Yeah, so at least this live stream, you have a clock to look at, you have a nice aquarium to look at, and you have an S21 to look at. And he's trying to figure out, I guess, how long it can live underwater. This is a futuristic aquarium. Never mind a goldfish, Will.
Uh-huh.
You just put your smartphone in water now.
What's this?
I don't know. That's just for your entertainment, Will.
Sure.
In the corner there.
Why not?
So he's at what? 62 hours, 37 minutes now? Plus 200 hours?
Yeah.
And read the description for updates. As of press time, the particular S21 unit on stream has been survived sitting in, yes, water. I guess it's a cool concept. I don't know. What do you do? You put this on in the background? We all wait for it to fail?
Yeah.
That's not bad, but maybe it does. What's your guess, Will? When does it fail?
I don't think it will.
Ever?
Well, I mean, it will eventually fail. Mainly.
So does this guy keep the stream for the next?
Maybe the display fails before.
Does he keep the stream for like a year?
Yeah, why not?
He does.
It will be a good advertising.
What's his YouTube channel? Let's give him a shout out.
It's a Photo Owl Time Lapse.
Photo Owl Time Lapse. Willie Doo just told you have to do this for a year now.
7K subscribers.
So, are you satisfied with that or not?
No, I thought it would be a lot more.
Why is that? Because it's
based on this idea. It's a good idea.
Oh, you're a big fan.
I think so. Yeah.
Oh, that's his art on the left-hand side there? I don't know.
Oh, that's a great idea to advertise his art on the side.
Wow. Willie Doo's, you're his number one fan now.
You know. I love content like this.
Will's like, you're ready to hit him with the super chat.
Yeah. I'll give him like $10.
You're ready to hit him with the super chat.
I'll support him.
Anyway, yeah, S21, it's built to survive exposure to water, but I think he's probably going to go beyond their recommendation. Oh, what does it say here? Update 1. Oh, the stopwatch only goes up to 99 hours, so he had to restart it. That's fair. Oh, phone gave a moisture detection warning at 117 hours. The screen was unresponsive and it kept jumping between applications uncontrollably. After some button pressing, it works fine again. The moisture warning is still there. Let's see what happens next. At 241 hours, there were a dozen people watching, and everyone was interested if the speakers still work. I played some music, and the speakers sounded terrible, very quiet and barely understandable. At this time, the water pressed lap, so that's why you see that on the screen now. He's still going. Moisture warning is as far as it got to this point, but it's still okay.
Shout out.